People of one heart. This story is about a prophet named Enoch. Enoch lived at a time when many people did not listen to God. They were often unkind and chose wrong things. The Lord called Enoch to teach them anyway. Some people listened to Enoch. They chose to obey God and care about one another. They helped each other and lived peacefully together. Because of their choices, the scriptures say they became of one heart and one mind. The Lord called these people Zion. Zion was not just a place, it was a people who chose righteousness. They loved God and loved each other. This mattered because God showed that He wants His people to live in unity and goodness. When people choose kindness and obedience together, they become stronger. Today, a child can understand that when we choose to be kind, fair, and helpful, we are living like the people of Zion. Even small choices can help bring peace to our homes and classrooms. Jesus Christ, King of Zion. This story is about Jesus Christ and the people of Zion. After the people listened to Enoch and lived righteously, the Lord taught that Zion belonged to Jesus Christ. He was their king. Jesus Christ led them through His teachings and commandments. The people trusted Him and followed His ways. Their unity and goodness came from choosing to obey Him. This mattered because Zion could only exist when people followed Jesus Christ. He was the source of their peace and righteousness. Today, a child can understand that when we follow Jesus Christ, we choose to be honest, kind, and helpful. We forgive others and try to keep God's commandments. Even when we make mistakes, we keep trying to do better. As we obey Jesus Christ, we help build Zion in our own lives. God weeps and rejoices. This story is about Heavenly Father and the prophet Enoch. The Lord showed Enoch a vision of the world and all the people living on it. Enoch saw that many people were choosing to hurt one another and disobey God. When Enoch saw Heavenly Father, he noticed something surprising. Heavenly Father was weeping. He wept because his children were suffering and choosing wrong. But Heavenly Father also showed Enoch moments of joy. He rejoiced in those who chose righteousness and followed His ways. This mattered because it showed that God deeply loves His children. He cares about their choices and their happiness. Today, we can understand that Heavenly Father notices what we do. He feels joy when we choose right and cares when people are hurting. He never stops loving His children. Jesus will come again. This story is about Enoch, Moses, and Jesus Christ. In a vision, the Lord showed Enoch things that would happen in the future. Enoch saw that Jesus Christ would come to the earth again in the last days. This promise showed that God has a plan for the world. Even when things are difficult, Jesus Christ will return to bring peace and righteousness. This mattered because it gave hope to God's people. They knew that evil would not last forever and that Jesus Christ would rule again. Today, we can understand that Jesus Christ will come again someday. As we follow Him now, we prepare our hearts and help make the world ready for His return.